Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be able to claim for an accident in an office. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If I were to ask you for some accident at work compensation examples, you may think of accidents that occur in places of work like factories or construction sites. But accidents in work can happen in any workspace, including offices. If you'd like to bring a work accident claim, you may need to prove that your accident occurred due to the negligence of your employer. But if you'd like to know how much compensation you may be entitled to if you've been involved in an office accident, I'm now going to go over our compensation amounts table. As you can see, we've got a few different injury types here. The top one being shoulder injury, and that's of a minor severity. We're looking at anything from £1,950 right the way up to £6,290. Then on to moderate shoulder injuries, that's £6,290 right the way up to £10,180. Then on to severe shoulder injuries, we're looking at £15,300 right the way up to £38,280. Then minor neck injuries, this could be anything from £1,950 right the way up to £6,290. Then on to moderate, we're looking at anything from £10,960 right the way up to £30,690. For severe neck injuries, we're looking at anything from £44,630 all the way up to £118,240. Then on to minor back injuries, we're looking at £1,950 again, right the way up to £9,970. For moderate back injuries, we're looking at £9,970, right the way up to £30,910. Then finally, onto severe back injuries, we're looking at anything from £30,910 all the way up to £128,320. To give you an idea of which one might apply to you, we've got some notes on the side, so have a little look over those and see which one applies to your injury type. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as a reward for the injury itself. It does not include the amounts of any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you may have incurred as part of your accident, which will form part of your compensation sum. This means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. And in order to get a fuller idea of how much compensation for office accidents you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to an accident at work claims specialist. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be able to use our accident at work claim calculator to give you a good idea of how much you may be entitled to in total, along with answering any questions like, what is the accident at work claim time limit? Or what are my injury at work rights? And can I claim for an accident after 3 years? Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim for an office accident, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. What this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.